In recent years, the integration of cameras into drones has revolutionized industries ranging from filmmaking and photography to agriculture and surveying. Drone cameras offer unparalleled perspectives, capturing breathtaking aerial footage and high-resolution images that were previously inaccessible or cost-prohibitive. From hobbyists seeking to capture stunning landscapes to professionals conducting aerial inspections and surveillance, the versatility and capabilities of drone cameras have made them indispensable tools in a wide array of applications. In this video, we will tell you all the top 5 drone camera. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 5. X300C Mini Drone. The X300C Mini Drone represents a fusion of innovation and accessibility in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Crafted with precision engineering and user-friendly features, this compact drone embodies versatility and performance. Its sleek design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also optimized for stability and agility during flight. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the X300C captures stunning aerial imagery and videos, allowing enthusiasts to explore the world from a bird's-eye view. With its intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes, even beginners can quickly master the art of piloting, making it an ideal choice for both recreational flying and professional photography. Number 4. Helicopter Drone with Camera. The helicopter drone with camera epitomizes the marriage of cutting-edge technology and aerial exploration. This marvel of engineering combines the agility of a helicopter with the versatility of a camera, offering users an unparalleled perspective of the world from above. With its sleek design and advanced stabilization systems, this drone effortlessly navigates through the air, capturing stunning high-definition footage and breathtaking photos. Whether documenting sweeping landscapes or tracking fast-paced action sequences, its onboard camera delivers crystal-clear imagery with remarkable detail. Equipped with intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes, even novice pilots can effortlessly pilot this aerial marvel, unlocking endless possibilities for creative expression and exploration. Number 3. EXOTech Blackhawk 3 Pro. The EXOTech Blackhawk 3 Pro stands as a pinnacle of innovation and performance in the realm of drone technology. Meticulously engineered and meticulously designed, this aerial marvel embodies the epitome of cutting-edge features and robust capabilities. With its sleek and sophisticated design, the Blackhawk 3 Pro exudes a sense of power and precision, hinting at the remarkable performance it delivers. Equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems and intelligent flight modes, this drone effortlessly maneuvers through the skies with unparalleled agility and stability, providing users with a seamless and immersive piloting experience. The integrated high-definition camera system captures breathtaking aerial footage and crisp, clear images, allowing enthusiasts to document their adventures with stunning detail and clarity. Number 2. Brushless Motor Drones with 2. Brushless motor drones with 2 represent a significant advancement in drone technology, boasting enhanced performance and durability. Unlike their brushed motor counterparts, which are prone to wear and require frequent maintenance, brushless motors offer improved efficiency, quieter operation, and longer lifespan. The incorporation of 2 brushless motors not only increases the drone's power but also enhances its stability and maneuverability, providing pilots with greater control over their aerial adventures. Whether soaring through the skies for recreational enjoyment or capturing professional-grade aerial footage, these drones excel in delivering smooth and precise flights. With their dual motor setup, they offer redundancy, ensuring continued operation even in the event of a motor failure. Number 1. Brushless Motor Drone with Camera. The integration of a brushless motor into a drone equipped with a camera marks a significant advancement in aerial photography and videography. Brushless motors offer several advantages over their brushed counterparts, including increased efficiency, quieter operation, and longer lifespan. When paired with a camera, these drones deliver unparalleled stability and smoothness, ensuring that every shot captured is of the highest quality. With their precise control and responsive maneuverability, pilots can effortlessly navigate the skies to capture breathtaking aerial footage and stunning images from unique perspectives. Whether documenting scenic landscapes, capturing action-packed moments, or conducting professional aerial surveys, brushless motor drones with cameras provide enthusiasts and professionals alike with a powerful tool for creative expression and exploration. That's all for now. If you want to buy 5 drone camera, tell us in the comments section. And don't forget to like and share the video and follow us for more updates. Thanks for watching.